I can't tell you exactly.
Okay, we're at 2529 Ontario, North Ontario and Burbank. We're looking at the 6-inch lateral out on the street. We located this approximately about 2 feet 9 inches deep. You can clearly see some kind of pipe coming through the clay. We'll pull it back. You can see it's coming right through the pipe, and there were a lot of roots in the way. Finally, when we cleaned it, we can actually see there's a pipe running through there. We're going to bring the camera back. You see pieces of the clay pipe that when they broke through it, whatever that is. There's our jetter hose in the line. So we're going to keep coming back. This is all the 6-inch clay pipe in the street. Should be coming underneath the sidewalk now. And we're coming onto the property line. We're going to keep coming back. This is all the clay pipe coming back towards the clean out we installed. And this is all looks good, the piping. This is all in good condition as we come back. Coming up out of the clean out. Here we are in the parking lot. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording here.